Cyber crimes are happening one after the other. India needs 5 million ethical hackers by 2025. You may be one of them. The Indian School of Ethical Hacking SILIGURI branch has launched Diploma and PG Diploma courses in Cyber Security and Digital Forensics affiliated to North Bengal University in collaboration with Moinaguri College. These courses are in blended mode. Weekend evening classes will be available at ISOAH SILIGURI campus Bagajuddin Park for students and working professionals. Class 12 passed, undergraduate and diploma students from any stream can apply for a UG diploma in cyber security. Science stream with a PCM background is mandatory to apply for a UG diploma in digital forensics. Good news for those students who have completed UG or diploma in cyber security or any science stream can apply for both the PG diploma in cyber security and PG diploma in digital forensics. Get in-depth training from globally recognized cyber leaders. What are you waiting for? Admission is going on. Limited seats available. Register now.